Welcome to another video of FX Yogi. In today's video, let's have a quick look at some of the most important forex news influencing the market for this week. Let's get started. ECB press conference. ECB, European Central Bank, to conduct press conference. Also known as the ECB news conference, the speakers will be ECB President and Vice President. The interest rate statement is scheduled 8 times per year, and the conference will be held for about 45 minutes after the minimum bid rate is announced. The press conference is about an hour long and has 2 parts. First, a prepared statement is read, then the conference is open to press questions. The questions often lead to unscripted answers that create heavy market volatility. The press conference is webcasted on the ECB website with a slight delay from real time. Source changed release frequency from monthly to 8 times per year as of January 2015. It's the primary method the ECB uses to communicate with investors regarding monetary policy. It covers in detail the factors that affected the most recent interest rate and other policy decisions, such as the overall economic outlook and the inflation. Most importantly, it provides clues regarding future monetary policy. That's all for this week. Let's catch up with the next video with more interesting content. Until then, take care. Bye-bye. Monetary Policy Statement. Bank of Japan (BOJ) to release Monetary Policy Statement. Also known as the interest rate statement, this vital data is scheduled 8 times per year. Source does not give an exact release time. The event will be listed as tentative until the statement is issued. Source first released in July 2008. Source changed release frequency from about 14 times per year to 8 times per year as of January 2016. It is among the primary tools the BOJ uses to communicate with investors about monetary policy. It contains the outcome of their decision on asset purchases and commentary about the economic conditions that influenced their decision. Most importantly, it projects the economic outlook and offers clues on the outcome of future votes. President-elect Biden speaks. President-elect John Biden due to speak at the 59th presidential inauguration in Washington, D.C. U.S. President-elect Jan 2021 to Jan 2025. He speaks frequently on a broad range of subjects, only speeches that might have direct market impact